I want to do another quick demo video to show what my program can do with video footage, because ultimately my goal is to color entire movies. And the cool thing is I was able to take what I already have working for a still image and just extend it to work with multiple frames of a video using something in Java called an Ffmpeg frame grabber. And for this project, I've already grabbed about 70 frames of the video. This is a movie called His Girl Friday. I just want to color this 3-second clip.
Right, take Hitler and stick him on the funny page. Now let me ask you.
And I've already colored 10 of the frames here. If I zoom forward, you'll see. Once the 10 frames are done, the mask stays the same as the last frame that I've edited and saved. So it makes it pretty easy to make small changes each time. So as you can see here, this is the next frame I need to do. I could use the Object Select tool, and I could make it go up or down or whatever it needs to be. I also have a Vertex Select tool, so I could move specific parts of the objects where I need them. And this is one of the coolest things I have. I have a couple buttons here in an attempt to automate the process as much as possible. So for certain objects, it might make sense to track the motion. So look at the previous frame and the pixels surrounding where those vertices were and see if I can find a similar pattern on this frame. And it already colored it because I have it set to color whenever I click on it, and this is the color from the previous frame. So I click Track Motion, and as you can see, it kind of worked. I've been tweaking it a little bit, trying different things, but if I like that, I can keep that, or I can, of course, edit it even further. I can select this vertex and move it up a little bit. Anyway, it's still a pretty tedious process. It takes about 45 minutes to get each frame finished, which is better than when I had to do the very first frame. Of course, when I was masking everything, that took about 10 hours, maybe 15 hours, I'm not sure. So, like I said, it's kind of a tedious process, and I'm only 10 frames in on a 70 frame project. And the cool thing is, once I do have all the frames where I need them, I don't actually have to click on every single object to color them, because I have a little button down here that says Color by Layers. So if I click that, it will color them all with whatever color they've been assigned. And that will actually go by the previous frame. So if I save this frame, I can go to the previous one. And of course, I've already finished this one. These objects have retained their color values frame after frame ever since the very first frame. So if I click on his suit, for instance, you'll see I already have a hue set. I already have a saturation set. All of those things stay the same on following frames. So there you have it.